Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Warrior Classes, and you have started learning mathematics with full concept. So today in this video, we'll solve this algebraic problem. Here we have two equations. The first equation is x square plus y square, that is equal to 7. And the next equation is x cube plus y cube, and the value of it is 10. And here the value of x and y is real number. Then we'll have to find the value of x plus y. So here the value of x and y are real number, so the value of x plus y will also be a real number. So friends, let's start the video. Before we start, please give a thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe our channel. So here we have two equations. Let us take this as equation 1 and this one equation 2. So now the equation 1 and equation 2 we can convert in the form of x plus y and multiplication of xy. Same way equation 2 also we can write x plus y and xy. Now first of all, this first equation. So this equation we can write x plus y whole square minus 2 times xy. This is the value of x square plus y square in terms of x plus y and multiplication of xy, and the value of it is 7. Now the second equation in terms of x plus y and xy, and it is in the form of a cube plus b cube, and we can write it as a plus b whole cube minus 3 times ab multiplied by a plus b. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. Now in place of a cube plus b cube, we will take x cube plus y cube. So we can write it as x plus y whole cube minus 3 times xy multiplied by x plus y, and the value of it is 10. So we can write 10. Now here in the both equation we are having x plus y and x plus y. Now we let x plus y as n. So here in terms of x plus y we'll write n. So this equation we can write it as n square minus 2xy, that is equal to 7. So we'll take 7 in the left hand side, so it will be n square minus 7, that is equal to 2xy. So friend, here the value of xy will be, we can calculate xy value will be n square minus 7 and we'll divide by 2. So we'll take this as equation 3. Now this equation, so we have let x plus y as n, so this value is n, so we'll write n cube minus 3 times xy multiplied by n, and that is equal to 10. Now we'll take this xy value in the right hand side, so it will be n cube minus 10, n cube minus 10, that is equal to 3 times xy multiplied by n. Now from here we will calculate xy value. So the value of xy will be n cube minus 10 divided by this 3n. So divided by 3n, this is the value of xy, and we'll let as equation 4. Now in equation 3 and equation 4 we have the value of xy, so we'll equate the value of xy the right hand side value also. Now in the next page we'll equate the value of right hand side xy value. So this is the value of right hand side xy. We have equated both the equation. Now we'll cross multiply it. So it is 3n multiplied by n square is 3n cube minus, now 7 3s are 21n, that is equal to, in the right hand side it is 2n cube, and 2 times 10 is minus 20. So here 3n cube minus 2n cube will be n cube, so it is n cube minus 21n minus 21n, and this is positive 20, so positive 20, and this is equal to 0. Now we'll factorize this term. Now for factorizing this term easily, we'll put the value of n. So first if we'll put the value of n as 1, so it will be 1 minus 21 plus 20, that is equal to 0. Now here it is 21 and negative 21, so 0 equal to 0. Now we have one factor, that is n is equal to 1, means n minus 1 will equal to 0. Now this expression we can write it is n cube, so n cube. Now for factorization as n minus 1, so it will take negative n, so we have taken negative 1n and remaining is negative 20n, and this is plus 20, so this is plus 20, that is equal to 0. Now this is, we can take n common, so if we will take n common, the here it will be n square minus 1. So we can write n plus 1 multiplied by n minus 1. Now for this term we'll take negative 20 common. So remaining here is n and minus 1, that is equal to 0. Now from here we can take n minus 1 common. So it is n minus 1 will take common, and the remaining here is n multiplied by this term. This is n square plus n, and here it is negative 20, that is equal to 0. Now for factorizing of this term we can write this n as plus 5n minus 4n, and that will be multiplication of 4 and 5 is 20. So we can factor this term will be n minus 1. Now factorization of this term will be n minus 5 multiplied by n plus 4, that is equal to 0. Now here we have three factors, that is n minus 1, n minus 5 and n plus 4. So the value of n will be n minus 1 is 0, n minus 5 that is equal to 0, and n plus 4 that is equal to also 0. Now from here the value of n will be 1, and for this term n is 5, and for this term n is negative 4. So in the initially we have taken n, that is x plus y that is equal to n. So in place of n we will put x plus y. So in the next page we will write. So here we have calculated the value of n, that is equal to 4, negative 5 and 1. So initially we have let it x plus y that is equal to n. So in place of n we will write x plus y. So it is x plus y value that is equal to 4. Here again x plus y that is equal to negative 5, and x plus y that is equal to 1. So initially we have been told the value of x and y are real number. So we'll check for the x and y value for real number. We had a equation 1 was x square plus y square that is equal to 7. So for checking the value of x square plus y square as 7, we'll put value of y value will be 4 minus x. Now here the value of y will be negative 5 and negative x, and now here the value of y will be 1 minus x. So here we had equation first was x square plus y square that is equal to 7. Now in place of y we'll write 4 minus x. So it is x square. In place of y we'll write 4 minus x and its square that is equal to 7. So this is x square, and we'll expand this. This is 16 minus 8x plus x square that is equal to 7. Now here x square and x square is 2x square. It is 2x square minus 8x and 16, and this value will be negative 7. So 16 minus 7 is plus 9, that is equal to 0. Now for calculating the real value of x, we'll check the value of discriminant, that is equal to b square minus 4 times ac. Now b square is negative 8 and its square minus 4, and a is 2, c is 9. So it is minus 8 square is 64, minus 4 to the 8 9 is 72. So the value of this term will be minus 8. So this is a negative value or less than 0. So the value of discriminant is less than 0. So the value of x will not be a real number. So the value of x is not a real number from this expression. So we cannot take the x plus y value that is equal to 4. Now we'll check the value of x plus y that is equal to negative 5. So here it is x square plus y square that is equal to 7. Now this expression value will be x square plus, in place of y we'll write negative 5, negative x and its square that is equal to 7. So here minus square will be plus. So we can write it is 25 plus 10x plus x square that is equal to 7. So here it is x square and x square is 2x square plus 10x, and here it is 25 minus 7 is plus 18 that is equal to 0. Now from this equation we can take 2 common. So the remaining here will be x square plus 5x plus 9 that is equal to 0. So now the discriminant value of this term is b square means 5 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 9. So it is 25 4 times 9 is 36. So the value of here again, the discriminant value is less than 0. So the value of x will not a real number. So here the value of x plus y we cannot take for the real value as -5. So this is not a real solution. Now we'll take for the value of x plus y that is equal to 1. So here the value of y will be 1 minus x. And our expression is x square plus y square that is equal to 7. So it is x square plus 1 minus x and its square that is equal to 7. So here it is x square plus 1 minus 2x plus x square that is equal to 7. So it is x square and x square is 2x square. So it is 2x square and here it is negative 2x and 1 minus 7 is minus 6 that is equal to 0. Now from here we can take 2 common and the remaining here is x square minus x minus 3 that is equal to 0. Now here the value of discriminant is b square means minus 1 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is negative 3. So it is minus 1 square is 1 and here minus minus plus 4 3s are 12. So it is 13. Now here we have calculated the discriminant value is 13, that is more than 0. So we can take the value of x plus y. For real solution of x and y is 1. So the answer of this problem, that is x plus y. So here it is x plus y value for the real solution of x and y, that is equal to 1. So here it is 1, that is our answer of this problem. So friends, this ends for this session. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe the channel and give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for watching the video.